The purpose of this movie is to go through Vlookup. I have to use Vlookup to combine different information on students, but I don't do it often enough that I feel comfortable. So I'm going to make this video to remind me and hopefully teach you how to do it. Now, there are two different spreadsheets. This one is what I'm going to call my master spreadsheet. This one has the bulk of the information, but I just want to get some information from this one, which I'm going to call my minion spreadsheet. All right, now, if I'm going to import some information from my minion to my master, the first thing I need to do is make sure that this first column has the same information in both. Now you'll notice it doesn't. So I'm going to take this information here and move it over here. Now the first column in both spreadsheets is the same. Excellent. That's what I really want. Now, I want this bunch of information to go over to my master spreadsheet. So I'm going to get a column ready for it. I'm going to type in the same information I want. And now you'll notice that these students are in a different order than these students. And so I want to just get the information over without having to do too much sorting. So I'm going to use Vlookup. I go into this first cell in the column that I want. I type in equals Vlookup, and then I do this parentheses. And as soon as I do the parentheses, you're going to see this column come. Excellent. All right. Well, it tells the first thing I have to do is say, what do you want to look up? Well, I want you to look up this information. Now I put a comma. Now I have to go over here to my minion spreadsheet and I say, I want you to look up that information from this spreadsheet. Sometimes, there we go, I have to click it a little bit. And you'll see that it goes in there. Okay, now I put a comma. After that comma, I have to figure out which column index number I want to get to. Well, I want this information here. So that is the fourth column. A, B, C, D is equal to 4. So I'm going to type in 4 and then comma. Now after this, I have to type in false. Don't know why, I just have to. Now I put my parentheses and I hit enter. And look, the information transferred. Now it only transferred for that one cell. So what I need to do is go over here and click on this. But I have to make sure that it turns into a black cross. If it's not a black cross, nope, there it is. I'm going to drag it all the way down and release it. And look, my information transferred. Hopefully this will help you know how to do Vlookup.